Welcome back to. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for deep dives into the fascinating world of economics. Today, we're exploring a shining topic, quite literally. India is bringing gold back to its shores, and the reasons and implications are more profound than you might think. First, let's address the why behind India's interest in bringing gold back home. India has long been one of the world's largest gold consumers. However, most of this gold is held in the form of jewelry and private holdings. Recently, there's been a push from the Indian government and the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, to increase India's official gold reserves domestically. But why now? The answer lies in two main reasons: securing financial stability and reducing dependence on the dollar. Holding more gold reserves within the country provides India with a strategic financial cushion, protecting it against global currency fluctuations and economic uncertainty. This move has gained urgency as India witnessed high inflation, concerns around the US dollar's dominance, and the ongoing fluctuations in global markets. Currently, India ranks 9th globally in terms of official gold reserves, holding around 797.4 metric tons of gold. This move to bring gold back is also a step towards managing India's economic security independently. So, what could this mean for the Indian economy? Bringing gold back will impact India in several ways, starting with strengthening the rupee. Here's how. With more gold reserves, India could reduce its reliance on the US dollar, especially for international trade and investments. This could make the rupee less vulnerable to dollar fluctuations and boost investor confidence. Gold is often considered a hedge against inflation. In a country where inflation can spike due to global crises, holding gold provides a safer bet against currency devaluation. By having more gold reserves within India, the government can leverage this asset to stabilize its own currency in challenging times. Another benefit is the potential boost for India's gold monetization scheme. By encouraging individuals and institutions to deposit their gold, the RBI can convert unused gold into a productive asset, offering interest on deposits and using this gold to reduce imports. And get this, India imports around 800 to 900 tons of gold annually, costing billions in foreign exchange. Imagine the impact if India reduces its gold imports significantly. That's a massive saving on the current account. Now, let's zoom out to see how India's strategy could impact the global economy. India is a major player in the gold market, and this move signals some potentially major shifts. With India working towards utilizing domestically sourced gold and boosting gold monetization schemes, there could be a reduction in gold imports. This could ease global demand pressures, possibly leading to a shift in gold prices. India's focus on gold over other reserves like the dollar might inspire other countries to reconsider their own reserves. Many emerging economies are increasingly diversifying away from the dollar and may look to India's example as they secure their financial independence. India's gold strategy could signal to other countries the value of holding diversified reserves, which could reshape global reserve policies. So, what's next for India as it brings gold back to its shores? There are several potential future pathways that could be game changers. As India explores the digital rupee, there's speculation that India could consider backing a digital currency with gold reserves, enhancing its value and stability. Imagine a digital rupee tied to gold. This would add a new level of credibility and stability to the digital currency. India's move could position it as a leader in global gold monetization efforts, bringing innovation to the way countries manage and leverage their gold assets. By strengthening its internal gold reserves, India can open new pathways in international finance, with potential lending capabilities in gold-backed finance. Ultimately, by holding more of its gold domestically, India strengthens its financial independence. In an era where geopolitical tensions are high, India's control over its own gold reserves means that it won't be as reliant on other nations for economic security. Bringing gold back home is more than just a financial move. It's a step towards a more secure, resilient, and independent India. By taking control of its gold, India is securing its future in a turbulent world economy. This strategy not only supports the rupee, but also creates opportunities for India to lead in global gold strategies. From stabilizing inflation to securing the rupee, the future looks golden for India's economy. So, what do you think about India's gold strategy? Is it the right move for India's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all things economics. Thanks for watching, where we simplify the big moves shaping our world.